Hello and welcome to the video tutorial for MyMaths. I'll be quickly running through all of the things that you'd have to know when you're showing your students when to use MyMaths and when to customize classes and groups. Now, when you first go on mymaths.co.uk, this is what you will see, and the username and password is midkent1 and the password is maths123. So let's just type it out. Once you type that in and press enter, you'll be taken to this page, and this is like the foundations to the whole of the MyMaths. Now, across the left of the screen is all the different options. You have library, booster packs, statistics, IGCSE, A-level, games, and toolkit. Now, library is all to do with the base kind of material. This is where most people who watch this video are going to most commonly want to find that information. You know, it's split into different sections: number, algebra, shape, data, and functional skills. And in each of those sections, as you click through, there's subsections just to the right of it. And when you go into subsections, there's even more sections. Now, this is the same for every part of it. Not all parts of it have all parts of it have library parts, like, you know, where libraries split into different sections like this. Booster Packs has that. So does A-level, but most other ones just have sections and only have subsections to the right of it. So let's just look at any as an example. Let's go on functional skills, and then after you've clicked functional skills, then like I said, it's giving you subsections, which is different sets of information, and different subsections here. And then you've got an investigate, which lets you look into the different subjects in that subsection. Again, it's the same for other subsections such as numbers, algebra, shape, data, which is in library. But as you go into the different subcategories and then pick a section, you're given different options. You're given lesson and online homework. Lesson is a tutorial. Lesson is to teach you what the information is about, and then online homework is to actually test yourself. And the good thing is that the students, once they've completed online homework, the system marks it itself, and then you just get the results. So you don't have to do any unnecessary marking and all that. It's all there. So yeah, library, booster pack, statistics, as you see, and A-levels, they all are different sets of information, and they're all the same one depending on what you actually need. Whereas games are like crossword or hangman, and it's like a fun kind of interactive thing for your students to do if they're bored but they want to revise at the same time. Or they can play games that are maths related, and you know, it will help them and it will give them something a little bit more subsidized. And then toolkit is to do with teacher resources. So that's the basics of the MyMaths page. Now, after you've done that, or if you want to edit your classes or edit any data or set tasks for your classes, you have to go on a different section of the website, which is called Assessment Manager. You click up here and it'll be taken to a new tab. And you're having to type in a new username and password here. And the username and password is, just trying to find it. BoostMidKent1 is the username, and the password is maths123521. And I've typed it in before, so it's already saved it for me. But if I click login, I'll be taken to a page which will show me all of the different classes that are already set up. So these are all the classes that are already set up. Now, once you've got a class, you can click the tick box on the left and then click set task or set activity, and this will set a task and activity for the whole class. And across the right hand side, there's columns showing you how many students are in each of these classes and what tasks are already set for them. Now, if you look at the tabs up here, there's allocation, results, and admin, and I've just showed you allocation. The next one is admin. If we look at admin, then this is where you can actually like change around classes and make classes. So in each of these classes, if you click into them, you'll be shown the students that are in these classes. You'll be able to edit the class name, and you'll be able to delete a class, and it will show you how many students there are on them. Whereas if you need to make a new class, you click that, and you'll be having to name the class, and then you'll be having to import students into it. Now, if your students aren't already on the system, this is how you create a new student. You would just type the first and the last name, their curriculum, and their class, and they'll be automatically added. And then the final one is results, and this is when your students do tasks. You'll be given a results page which will show you the statistics, see who's done what and what the most common grade is and all that. And so these are all really useful administrative resources. And one thing to note is on all of these, on this section of MyMaths, only you and the lecturers and staff alike are allowed to actually access this. Students can't get on here. They can obviously get onto this like you can, the actual main section of MyMaths, because they need to do these stuff, but they can't actually get onto the editing part. This has been a very quick tutorial on MyMaths, but this covers everything you need to know, and it's just a case of going into each section, just playing around and testing it. But it's all pretty self-explanatory, and it's got a lot of ease of use. Thank you for watching.